Smart manufacturing provides practical solutions for applying the latest advanced manufacturing technologies that drive results. Leading companies are here showcasing transformative technologies to boost productivity, increase sales, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. At LMI Technologies, we are creating factory-smart solutions designed to improve quality inspection, automate processes, and enhance material optimization. Hi, I'm Dan Howe with LMI Technologies. We're here at the first ever Smart Manufacturing Experience Show in Boston.
What we're highlighting here today at the SME 2018 show is our GoCater 3506 high-resolution snapshot sensor mounted end of arm of a UR3 collaborative robot. In this particular scenario, what we're highlighting is the UR places the GoCater 3506 over a series of inserts into the part, which is a cam cover, a molded cam cover for an automotive application. And we're measuring the depth that the inserts are actually placed into the cover, and then presenting a pass-fail decision based on what that depth is. So what you'll see on the screen is the results of that actual measured stake depth of each of the inserts to the molded case side of the part itself in millimeters. You see this one actually failed as it didn't meet within the tolerance of depth that we required for the application. One thing to mention about the demo is there are no other devices between the robot and the GoCater. So it's just a simple Ethernet connection with ASCII communications set up between the two into a gigabit Ethernet switch. All the tools and software that you see being presented on the screen are on board standard of every GoCater, and that's it. The common aspect between the snapshot sensors and the laser profile sensors, it's all the same software, the same user interface, the same tool sets that are available to perform virtually the same 3D inspections.
This is a real hotbed for machine vision and automation, and this is evidenced by the really strong showing that we've had here today and this week at the Smart Manufacturing Experience here in Boston. It's been a really great show for us. This is the first ever show for Smart Manufacturing Experience, and it's a winner for us. We've been very, very busy, and this has been time well spent. So look forward to working with you, and thank you very much.
So my name is Nathan DeRochers. I'm an automation engineer for Axis New England. So we're an automation technology center and distributor up here in New England. We do motion control, robotics. We recently picked up the LMI 3D line of products for to sort of bolster our vision and 3D sensing capabilities. You know, spend some time hands-on in the lab, probably a couple hours just scanning parts to test out for customers, perform some simple measurements. It's been really simple to work with. I like that I have this nice demo kit. I set it up. I can scan any part really. So I really like, again, the plug and play aspect of it. It's nice that I can plug it right into my laptop. It's easy to plug in a couple cables, power it on. It shows really nicely. You know, I don't have a complicated interface to bring with me. I can power it on. Go to the web page, show my customers very quickly, have a part scanned. So it shows really well. I like all the tools that I can measure different, just quickly get them a diameter. And I like when I tell them, hey, the diameter of the circle is 5 millimeters, and they say, oh yeah, that's actually right. You nailed the measurement just right in the first try. So it impresses them with that technology. What I was actually really impressed with was the ease of use to integrate with the Universal Robot now. I've done a ton of work with Universal Robots. We're one of their largest distributors, and I sell a lot of them around here in New England. So I have a lot of experience integrating that with other accessories, but I had never done it with this actual GoCater before. So it was a totally simple process. We mounted the GoCater on there, just the 4 M6 bolts on the end of the arm, plugged it in with an Ethernet cord. We had a very simple script which opened up a socket, sent one string, and then it changed a couple nodes, and that's all we had to do to get the thing to move in position, create a scan, and then stop the scan. And we were able to, in probably an hour, get the thing up and running for a trade show demo without any prior experience. So I thought it was really streamlined. So the support's been great. I have a support email which I'm always asking questions to. The responsiveness has been great. They always open up tickets, as soon as I have any questions. I'll either call David, who's again our territory manager, with simple stuff. If I need a part tested with maybe a scanner that he doesn't have, it's a breeze to send it to the guys in Detroit or in British Columbia. They'll scan the part, send me a full evaluation back, which I can then send to my customer and basically prove out the application if it's something that's beyond the scope of what I can do with my 2330 sensor. So it's been really a pleasure to work with them so far.
Thanks for stopping by our booth here at Smart Manufacturing Experience Boston.